Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 2 from chapter 29 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. So we are given the difference in energy between allowed states, and we need to find the oscillation frequency. All right, so let's write down what we know. And we know that delta E is 0.330 EVs. And then we need to find F. Okay, we can use delta E is equal to HF. Solving for F gives delta E divided by H, where H is Planck's constant. Okay, so F is going to be 0.330 EVs divided by Planck's constant, 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 joule seconds. And now we have EVs divided by joules times seconds, so we need to convert, and so I'll just convert Planck's constant. And so 1 EV is 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. Okay, our joules are canceling, our EVs are canceling. We're left with 1 over seconds, which is hertz. It's all good. I did the calculation and I found F is 7.968 times 10 to the 13 hertz. And so to 3 sig figs, we have F is 7.97 times 10 to the 13 hertz. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.